Hi guys, welcome to another video session. On this video session I'm going to show you how to test web services via Postman. So in this session we will be just going to the website of Postman, trying to download Postman and installing it and doing a basic get request. So let's go into the Postman website. So this is the Postman website. So it has the three platforms that it supports. So I'm going to take Windows 64-bit edition. You can see that Postman will automatically download. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to take the downloaded Postman installer, let it install in my machine. So you can see it gets installed and Postman is getting initialized, and you will get the start screen like this. So what we are going to do is we are currently in the new tab, create new tab, and building block section. I'm going to click on request. So I'm going to make NASA get request for articles. So I'll say get NASA articles. Okay, so you can say web service test to get NASA articles. Right, I'll save it in my collections area. So I have named it as Kushan's test. You can create anything, and even you can create folders within these collections. So collection holds all the web services requests for a particular area. So I'll save it, then I'll go to my requests. So in the get area, there are a lot of request options. So I will create a get request. This is our first series of videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that URI which I have given in an article. So this is the URL and the key is demo key. So I'll just copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Right, so everything is done. So we don't have any auth keys here. It's nothing. There is no auth key. So I'm going to send this request. Let's see what the response is. Okay, so we got a successful response. Okay, so you can change the responses also here, the way the responses should be displayed. So I'm going to take text. Let's see what happens. So it's a JSON response, so that's why text doesn't come. So if it's a text response, the text gets displayed. So this is how we create a basic kind of a request. So I'll make another request. Okay, I will test another request. This is from a web page that I found, groupkt.com. So we can send a request to get the ISO codes of the country. So I'll just go through here. So let's try to get all the ISO country codes. So I will just copy this request call. So this is the request, and we should get the response like that. So I will send this request. So let's create a new request. So you go to new button, create new get request. So get all ISO codes, web service test to get all ISO codes. Save it under Kushan's test. Okay, so I'm going to paste the URI here. So let's see what's happening. Should get all the ISO codes. Here we are. So Postman helps us to send a request and get the response. So this is a JSON response. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one to show how it happens, to get the hang of it. New get request. So this time what I'm going to do, according to the website, I'm going to send country India, that is shown as IN. So what will happen is it will find the ISO code for IN, and it will give the details, name, alpha codes. So if it finds a match, it will also state. So what we'll do, we'll try to get this response. Okay. So we'll copy the URL. So get specific ISO info. Okay, web service test to get specific ISO info. Right, we'll save this and we'll paste the URI. Send. Here we go. We got the same response. So this is how we do a simple get request. So I will in the next session I will show how to get post request and put request. Also we will see how we can automate this test run. Thanks guys for listening and watching.